Okay, so let's make our example a little bit more complicated this time. This time, we've got a couple of things going on. We have 4x squared times y to the third in parentheses, but in the next set of parentheses, we've got 2xy to the fourth, and all of that is raised to the fourth power. Well, this is where we're going to have to use our rules regarding that powers rule. And if you remember that rule, we're using the one here that says, if we take a to the m power and raise that to the nth power, we multiply our two exponents together. So we're going to show that at work here when we apply the exponent 3 to the factors inside of the parentheses. So how should that work out? Well, in this case, in the first set of parentheses, there's no exponent on the outside of that. We can actually think of that as an exponent of 1 when it's not present. So that part of the expression can be brought out of parentheses. 4 times x squared times y to the third. In the next set of parentheses, though, if we've got a 3 as an exponent and we're multiplying factors inside of that parentheses, we're going to raise each of the factors to that exponent. So we're going to get 2 to the third power times x to the third power times y to the fourth power raised to the third power. Sort of interesting in that last case. Remember that that exponent is an exponent raised to an exponent. So what's going to happen? Well, we're going to get 4 times x squared times y cubed times order of operations. We're going to get 8 here. We're going to get x cubed here. And y to the fourth times 3, by our rule, says we multiply those two exponents. So we're going to get y to the 12th. Now we can use our addition rule for exponents. So we're going to take 4 times 8. We're going to multiply that result by x squared times x cubed. And we're going to multiply that result by y cubed times y to the 12th. By the associative property of multiplication, we can rearrange this multiplication here. And we're going to get 32 times x to the 2 plus 3, x to the 5th, times y to the 3rd, times y to the 12th, y to the 15th. This is as simplified as we can make this particular expression.